romantic friends. Today we are going to make a geranium rose and green tea soap. So if this is your first time to my channel, I want to say welcome, welcome, welcome. I know it's been a while since I last made a soap making video, and so this video here is basically me trying to get back into the swing of things. So as you can see in front of me on the video, I have my bucket of oils, and then I have some green tea that I'm about to open. And this green tea, I'm going to actually put it in the oils later on in the video. And also here, as you can see, I have a bowl of gooey goodness. So in this bowl, I cannot really tell you what's all in it because it's a secret ingredient, but it includes my fragrance oil and some more of my infused ingredients. So here I am going to start blending up my oils, and my oils have already been infused with the tea, the rose and green tea. So I have that mixed all together here. And now that I have mixed everything thoroughly and I have my trace, I am going to pour my oils into separate containers for the colors. And the colors I have are basically some red and two different versions of greens. So I am going to go ahead and mix those together and go ahead and enjoy the video from here. Now at this point I have added the green tea leaves into one of my mixing bowls, and this will become part of my soap. And as I continue my soaping, I have decided to pour the soap into my soap mold using the two-hand pour method. Now I love this method. It's really easy, and this is probably maybe my go-to method when I pour my soap. As you can see, I am plippity plopping the soap in the middle of my soap here, trying to get my design together, but my soap is setting up pretty fast on me. Perhaps it's because from all the clay in the soap, but I'm gonna scrape my containers, get all the goodness out the containers, because the less soap that's in the containers, the easier for me to wash later on. And I decided I wanted to do just a texture on top of the soap. Now I started to kind of play with the soap a little bit too much, so the colors started to like blend together, so I had to stop because I was overdoing it. But as I finished doing the texture, this is how the soap turned out on the top. Very, very, very pretty. I'm excited. I'm happy with it. And so the next day we are going to cut the soap, and now as we cut the soap, we are at the end of our presentation, and I have the question of the day for you. And here is the question of the day. Number one, you want to surprise your partner with roses. That's one of the romantic questions. Or number two, would you rather take a relaxing, soothing bath in a bathtub of roses? Go ahead and leave your comments in the video below. I'm more than happy to read the comments, and I will respond. I want to say thank you for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed this presentation and y'all have a wonderful, wonderful day. See you in the next video. And don't forget to take time out to pamper yourself. Bye now.